Perfect, perfect. So tell us a little bit about yourself before we go into it.
Okay, thank you for having me on the show. I really, it's been an honor to be on your show. I've been following you for years. Originally from Miami, Florida, born and raised there. Was educated there. Then I made the transition. Moved to Atlanta, Georgia. To start my business. My journey was a difficult one, but yet and still it's a rewarding one because I started off in corporate America, became worked up the ranks at Coca-Cola, became a regional sales manager. I would cover like maybe four different states as well. And I had about maybe about 230 employees that reported directly to me. They had layers, but then I said to myself, man, I'm pretty good at sales. And my last company I was with is called Bakemark. I was a regional sales manager there. I gross normally about $15.5 million per year over budget. So I said to myself, man, I'm making these companies a lot of money in terms of being in sales. I said, why can't I do something for myself? So with the help of my mother, my grandparents, they've been very instrumental in terms of my overall development. I said to myself, I'm going to start my own commercial cleaning company. And I started in my garage, right in my garage, read a lot of books, followed you, follow Miss Johnson, Wade, Sean, all those mega stars in the business that I want to emulate. So I said, I know it's going to take some time and hard work and dedication, but it's definitely paying off.
Absolutely. Now, I want to jump right into the exciting part. I know a lot of viewers watching this, and they want to know, they're itching to know. So, if you don't mind, could you share what you're doing on a monthly basis as far as revenue right now?
Gross now, not net. A lot of people
Absolutely.
get that. A lot of people get that mixed up. I'm doing 25,000 a month gross.
And that's that. So that's extremely impressive, gross or net, just
Yeah.
FYI. But so now, so if you're doing 25 now, when did you start your cleaning company?
As a matter of fact, you're gonna laugh. Don't laugh at me now. I started. I started about 9 months ago, and it took. I mean, I'm telling you, it took a lot of blood, sweat, and tears. A lot. Oftentimes, I'm gonna be honest with you, Mr. Simmons. I thought I couldn't do it because it took so long for me to get a contract, and I would knock on doors, do guerrilla marketing, going out knocking on doors, just having people to give me a chance. So I put in a bid. It took me about 4 months after I got started to get my actual contract. So I met with the young lady. It's about building relationships. And I found out what her pain was. And once I found out the customer's pain, I said, look, I'm going in and attack it. So what I did, I started doing it myself. I got me and my 17-year-old son, we went out, we started doing it ourselves. Then I said, okay, I learned from what you taught me just to replace yourself. I work in it, build it up, put some money for savings. And I said, okay, I could put another employee or contractor inside this particular account, then go on to the next one. And that's how I started building it up. But now I still help out with the guys, but I just basically oversee it now as a whole.
So you done created that system out this thing, and that's
Right.
what's up, man. And look, you said I was gonna laugh. I almost choked because that's extremely impressive, man. You said in 9 months, and so that's just a testament to show everybody watching like what's really possible when you get out
Right.
here and go hard, like you said, guerrilla marketing and really pushing the pedal to the metal. You know what I mean? Once
Right.
you get the contracts,
Right.
and it's important that we know that you said it took 4 months. And people got to understand that that's what it takes some time. But them 4 months was worth it because now look, we 9 months later and bam, here we are. So I appreciate you sharing that part for
Yes, sir.
sure. A lot of people
Yes,
take
sir.
notes from you, man.
Yes,
All
sir.
right, cool. So what did you do exactly? Well, better yet, you just told us you were in corporate America.
Right.
Why did you choose a cleaning company?
Well, the thing about it started off the low overhead because I did not want to go to a franchise. I'm not going to call any names, but I didn't want to go to a franchise. What I did though, I interviewed with them in terms of finding out the systems that they had in place. So I was smart. I said, look, I know I'm not going to join because you told us, look, leave that alone. But I just went anyway just to see the systems that they had in place, in terms of starting it. So I went with two different companies just to see, what can I learn from them, to pick their brain. Then they never saw me again. because I said, look, I can do this myself. I don't need them to find accounts for me. I can, hustle enough, coming from Miami, you just go out there and get it, because no one's going to get it for you. You have to go there and get your hands and knees dirty,